Good morning, dear students. Happy to meet you in this grammar hour class on models. We already had two classes on the theory part of models. We'll just revise it and go to your exercises. Now let's check how much we have learned in the theory by just doing this think exercise. Okay. Now take page number 58. Okay. 58 in your book. There is a sample given. Okay. Martha says, I am going to the supermarket. And you are asking her, could you get me a box of tissue paper? So this is a request. So the exercise is based on a request function of the modal verb. Okay. Now, could you get me a box of tissue paper? Is very formal. Okay. If you use can, it is informal. If you use may, it is formal. If you use could, it is a very, very formal way of requesting. Okay. Now we go to the below second one. I am going to Paris, and you can ask, can I go with you? This is informal. So in request we have got formal, informal, very formal. Okay. Can is informal, could is very formal, and may is formal use. Now third one, I am going to the restaurant. You can ask this question, could you bring some snacks for me? Very formal. Okay. Now, in the other side, top, Jan. I am going to the chemist. You may ask this. That is, may I know what time you come back? This is formal way of asking. Now, the second part, second one, Misha, I am going to the library. And you can ask this question, can you bring a book for me? This is informal. Now here, let me say, where can you use this informal? I had already told you the theory part. It is used between equals, friends, or some subjects, junior. For seniors, when you want to give respect and so on. Or even with the equals, you want to be polite, please them, make them little more happy, obliging, or make them to do you the work. You can also be polite. Sometimes children, if you demand and command, they say no. If you say, could you please, if you just request, be polite with them, kind with them, they do the work. Okay. So don't think you should be polite only with the seniors. Okay. But you can be polite with the children also. The children like politeness. Okay. If you are angry, children don't like. Okay. Next, the last one. Shika, I am going to the stationer's. You can ask, may I know where is it? Again, this is formal. Okay, good. Then we proceed to the learn theory part. You know the list of modal verbs already given to you. You know where they are used, the functions. Okay, that's what is given there. You can read and understand. Now one more thing already said, they are used as auxiliaries modal verbs. Okay, they come in the place of is, was, were, because they come before the verb. Okay, but one difference is they can't be used as plural. Is cannot be added. They also can't be changed to different tense form, like adding ed, es, and so on. But yes, you can use them for past, future, present. Okay. Within the modal verbs, you have got some verb for past, some for present, some for past, future. But if you want to, you can add with other tense forms like I could have been. Okay. I might have gone to that place, like that. You can use. You can use change the verbs and use this in any tense you can use. But that verb and this model do not change much. Okay, that's what is more important. Now let's go to page number 59. Now this is what I said in the thing exercise, using polite way, okay, formal way and so on, informal. And okay, we'll go to the example given here. May you go out for a while? Could I please borrow your book? All both formal. Can I read aloud? Informal. Okay. Now let's go to the next sentence given that. This is talking about the ability. Okay. She can climb a mountain. My friend couldn't speak English very well a few years back. This is in the context of past tense, but using the function of ability. So we use can for general abilities, and we use could for some ability in the past. That was already explained to you. Now with the context of the exercise, we saw this theory. Now let's do the exercise A. So here you have got two options. One is to use permission, or another one is ability. This both can be expressed in filling up these blanks. Okay. Now permission, you have got two modal verbs normally used. They are could and may. And for expressing ability, you have got can and could. Can for present tense and could for past tense. Now let's proceed. The first one can be can. The second one can be could. The third one can be can't. Okay, all these modal verbs can be used in negative form. May not, might not, have not. Okay, that possibility is always there. I have also slightly mentioned this in the first class itself. Okay, so because the sentence of I am sorry, but no, so can't, answering the question. Fourth one also can be can't. Fifth one, first fill up could, and the second one is can't. Okay. Sixth one, my cousin can speak 6 languages. It's talking about ability. Okay. Seventh one, may I ask you a question, please? Okay, it's a request. Eighth one, may I read your notes? Okay. May I ask you a question, please? Can be a permission also. Same thing can become a request also. Okay, because may verb modal verb is used in request also, but here we are concerned about only permission. Now eighth one, may I read your notes, is also asking permission. Okay, good. Then you fill up if you are not filled up. Now next we will go to page number 60 in the next class. Till then, all the best. Thank you. Bye.